In the last video, we spoke about 6 questions every project manager needs to know and ask. That is, what, why, when, who, where, how. Now imagine if you could answer all of this in minutes instead of spending hours in meetings. That's exactly what AI is changing for project managers. AI does not replace the project managers. It's make a good project manager faster, sharper and more prepared. Let me show you how this actually works. Let's see how modern PMs work smarter. Use AI at every stage of the 5W1H framework to move faster, think deeper, and make better decisions. The problem today is PMs are drowning in noise. Meetings, ambiguities, and delayed decisions slows everything down. So, with AI, everything gets sharper. Minutes with AI generated scope draft, structured problem statements and OKRs, AI drafted Reshi from the context in meetings, AI assistant for estimations with risk flag. Hence, AI does not replace the project manager. It removes the noise so project managers can focus on judgments, strategies, and people. Let's understand how it can help with what. AI helps you draft scope statements, surface missing requirements from vague briefs, suggest the features based on the user pattern in minutes, not in days. As a PM, you need to validate AI generated scope against business strategies. AI's purpose, AI is proposes, but you approve and prioritize. Why? AI helps structure the business case, identify the user pain points from research data, and quantify the affected impact. So your why is defined before a single sprint starts. As a PM, test AI's why against your stakeholder acknowledgement. Ground truth comes from conversations, not just data. Who? AI can generate a fast-paced stakeholder map, a Reshi draft, from the project descriptions given by you, and team starting point to refine, not just a blank page to fill. As a PM, you need to validate the Reshi that AI generated. The real team dynamics and policies, you have to compare them with the AI generated Reshi. AI sees the structure, you see the people. When AI helps estimating task durations using historical patterns, flags the dependencies you might miss, and build risk adjusted timelines faster than manual planning. AI estimates from patterns. You adjust from your team's actual velocity, morale, and constraints. Where AI provides faster market contacts, platform benchmarks, and regulatory awareness. So, where decisions are informed, not just guesswork anymore. As a PM, you need to check that AI will surface the constraint you might not know to ask about, but you need to verify it with the legal, infra, and business team. How? AI can draft the sprint plannings, recommend the methodologies based on the project context, and suggest the tool stack. So, your how is structured from day one, not assembled ad hoc. How is where the PM judgment matters the most. AI will provide you a starting blueprint, but you need to adapt it to your team's reality. AI will give you the speed as a project manager, but the judgment for the project must be done by you. The most effective project managers don't completely trust AI. They will harness it. Hence, modern PMs are actually working with frameworks, AI, and use their own judgment to get faster and smarter deliverables. Three mistakes that you must avoid when you are using AI for your project management practices. Never blindly trust AI outputs. Always pressure test. Always pressure test. Does this matches what I know about stakeholders, constraints and strategy? No validation looping. Your AI generated requirements ratio or timelines without cross checking with actual team will be not advisable. Treat AI output as a first draft. Review with the team before it becomes the actual plan. Ignoring PM experiences. Never ignore your own instincts and your experience. Use AI to speed up, but not to bypass your vision, your instincts, and experience in future. The modern PM formula is very simple. Use frameworks with AI to speed up, and finally use your own judgment to get a skyrocket impact on the projects. Don't just use it. Ask better questions, validate every output, lead with your own judgment. Subscribe for more PM insights for this kind of formulas and frameworks with AI.